There's sisterhood.
Powers in our hands, love in our hearts.
There's sisterhood.
Powers in our hands, love in our hearts.
Sisters, we minister.
To ourselves,
Sisters, we minister.
to each other,
Sisters, we minister.
to each other.
Yes, today is a day for another great gathering. I mean, a gathering of equals.
Equality! Essentiality for today's
I
woman.
like that. In fact, I like that. Today's meeting is going to be very, very, very brief. In fact, our president is traveling to Lagos in about 2 hours' time. So without much ado, I would like to invite our president, Sister Arabakra.
Sisters, we minister.
To ourselves,
Sisters, we minister.
to each other.
Take your seat. I am very, very happy today. I am very happy today, sisters.
Tell us why.
Because next year is our initiation year. Next year, we are going to free more women and young girls from the bondage of men.
Yes.
And I want each member of this honorable organization recruit more fresh helpers. Recruit more girls. Get them in, all right? I must say most of us are really pairing. In fact, it is not healthy at all. Please, get more girls. Our monthly meeting is on the 30th at 8 p.m. I want everybody to be here. You should all be here, no excuses. You must be present, whether you like it or not, please. As Sister Say rightly said, I am traveling to Lagos, okay? I must be out in about 2 hours, all right? On a business trip. I won't be long, don't worry. It's strictly business, okay? I move that we end this meeting with reference to our princess, Chidambara.
Chidambara, princess of the underworld.
As you do your will,
Provide our needs and protect us.
Miss Nana Prempe, you're welcome to Lagos. Yeah, yes. I'll be coming to pick you, yes. I'll come to the airport. Yeah, there is so much traffic in Ikeja, so much traffic. But I'll make it. Oh no, I don't think the contract will be signed today. It's not possible. You may have to stay in my house. Hmm? No, you'll be all right. You'll be all right. You stay in my house. Everything will be okay. I'll be over in, let's say, 45 minutes. Will that be okay? Yes. Okay. Okay. Once again, you're welcome to Lagos. You're welcome. Hmm? Bye. Okay, so I will just... welcome to my
Thank you.
home.
You have a nice house here.
After you. After you.
Wow.
Yeah. Please have your seat.
Thank you.
Once again, you're welcome to my humble abode.
Oh, you have a lovely place.
Thank you. You know what? I'll go right into the kitchen and prepare you very good, very nice Nigerian meal. Eba, have you eaten it before?
No.
No, that's okay. So I'll go in there.
Kitchen.
Yeah.
Where is your wife?
Hey, come on. Listen. How many times do I have to tell you that I am not yet married?
But what is preventing you from finding a good woman?
Okay. I'm still waiting for you.
Please, Emeka, cut that joke. Just go in there and get me something good to eat.
Okay. Let me see what I can do for you. You just wait for me. Yeah, what do you have in there?
That's very nice. I love it.
It's Nigerian food and
Seriously, Emeka, you need a wife. Look, a man like you cannot live without a woman.
how many times do I have to propose to you?
And how many times do I have to tell you it's not possible?
Listen, that is what I really don't understand. You're a very successful woman. And I still can't find a reason why you're still single. Listen, the two of us will make a very good pair. Just imagine how big our business empire would be. You have the cash and I have all the connections.
Drop this, Emeka. Please drop it. I have told you I am not interested in any man. Besides, I came here for business. Can we leave it at that level? And don't ever, this should be your last time. Don't talk about this anymore, please. Moreover, what can a man give me that I don't already have? A car? A house? Money? What? Excuse me.
All right, I'll prove something to you.
Please drop it. Excuse me.
Yeah, Tunde. Yeah. I'm in the restaurant. You just meet me here, okay? Yeah. Have they signed it? Okay. Thank you. Okay.
You sacrifice,
That's all right.
give it everything you got, and you won't think twice. You risk it all, no matter what may come. When you love someone, yeah, you shoot the moon.
Tunde. How are you? Sorry. So, when you around the corner, I waited for you. I had to come for my lunch.
Okay. You know, I was caught up in traffic between Oshodi and Moshi.
Oh, sorry. Traffic everywhere.
Madam,
So, have they signed it?
yeah, I have.
Okay. Oh, thank you very much. Great. Thank you.
So now, Emeka, I would like to know what is happening between you and that Kenyan woman.
Purely business. You know this ECOWAS free trade zone, that's all business and nothing else.
Emeka, I know you're older than me, But when it comes to women affairs, you know I'm smarter than you. I just want to know the truth.
The fact is, this woman seems to have cast a spell on me. I am deeply in love with her.
But what?
She keeps turning down my proposal.
Why shouldn't she? That woman is a big woman, for all you know. And what makes you think she doesn't have any attachments? What happened to all the men in Ghana?
That's the puzzle. That's the puzzle. And to think that she's still very single and she's not interested in any relationship at all. I don't understand her, I don't.
Emeka, you are a fool. If she keep on turning down your proposal, why do you keep on proposing? It should be give and take. Now listen, you don't have to cut her out. Let her pay for your services.
How?
Just prove to her that you are a man, and that's all.
When you love someone, you'll do anything. You'll do all the crazy things you can't explain.
Why?
Okay.
Yeah.
You shoot the moon.
Better?
Has it been signed?
Yes.
Great! It means I can leave tonight.
Hey, come on, why? Not so early. Don't you think this calls for a celebration?
Oh, Emeka, you are behaving strangely. How many times have we celebrated over a contract that has been signed?
I am not asking for a house party. Just a drink. Over a drink, that's all. Okay? A drink? A drink. A drink. I'll fix you a drink.
Fine.
Let me fix you a drink. Let's see. Okay. I think, I hope the wine would be very okay for you.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I see. Yeah. It's called for a celebration. That's okay.
Kindly drop this in the room for me. This celebration is a wild one. We can't afford to soil the envelope.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers. Emeka, you have been a very good business partner. You have never treated me badly until today. But I warned you.
What do you mean by that?
Next time you come back to this world, just remember to respect people for who they are.
What's the meaning of all this?
This
do? I went to lectures. They said you hadn't come there. Where have you been?
I've been trying to sort myself.
What's up?
Good news and bad news.
I want to hear the good news first.
Yeah, you will see.
Scholarship! Hey! You got it! Oh, so always me you get it. Where's that? What state is that? Switzerland! Wow! Baby, you're lucky. I always knew you would get it.
Yeah.
I'm so happy for you. Well, what's wrong?
I'm going to miss you.
See, I'll miss you too. See, I'll wait for you when you come back and then we're gonna get married, okay?
Kafi,
Yes, baby.
can you spend the night with me before I leave?
What are you suggesting?
Can we make love?
No, I've told you several times no, Fosu. I've always been a virgin. I want to remain a virgin for you. See, I'll wait for you. You come back, we get married, and we make love. That is the right way.
What if after some time somebody...
Huh? What are you saying? That you don't trust me?
Well, no, not that. Oh, I know you're going to wait for me. I know.
Well, you better know. Because I love you and I'll wait for you.
Yeah?
My love.
Yeah?
Yeah!
Oh.
My baby. See, let's go and get ourselves some lunch, okay? And don't put that look on your face. Let's go!
Hey, it's always James, sister. But I missed you.
I missed you too. Take my word for it.
But Sister Cynthia was there for you.
Oh, you know something is not as sweet as you. You know how much I love you.
Huh? Damn. Come in. Come right in. Come.
Good evening, dear. How are you?
Sit somewhere.
Thank you.
You have my message.
Yes, I did.
Okay. Go into my bedroom. There's a suitcase on the bed. Bring it here.
She's beautiful.
Are you saying she's beautiful or she's good in bed?
Exactly.
Oh, I think so.
Hey, so you've been there already?
Those are some of the advantages of being a president.
How?
Everything in this suitcase belongs to you.
For me?
They are yours.
All these things.
We minister to each other.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my dear.
Thank you so much.
Alright, take good care of yourself, okay?
Thank you.
Alright.
My president. The position is good for you.
A key to many doors.
I believe we were very engrossed before we were rudely interrupted.
Yes, you see you. Let's continue in the bedroom. Alright?
Monique, I've been looking for you. You scared me. Sorry. Monique, I need your help.
You need my help. Where did you get that thing from?
This book, Chris gave it to me for lunch.
Lucky you. Good for you.
I need some money to pay for my class project.
How much?
75,000.
I don't have that much. Look, I only have 100,000 left in my account.
So what am I going to do now?
But I thought you said we were going for the loan.
Monica, I didn't get anybody to guarantee for me.
That's a pity.
I'll see you later, okay? I'm going back to the hostel.
Take it.
What's wrong? It's nothing. I just want some money for my class projects, that's all.
That's all. That explains your mood. How much?
75,000.
Coffee, that's peanuts. And oh my god, I can't believe this. No, you know what? I don't have enough CDs on me, so let me take this and then take this one and change it. Okay. See, the CDs I have on me is not that much, so let me change it. Buy anything you want to buy, eh?
I said 75,000. This is like dollars, so.
Happy, this is nothing. You can always come to me for anything. You can mention the amount. Any amount you want and you will have it. Okay? You know I'm always there for you.
Thank you very much.
Change your mood. She's my roommate. I'd like to initiate her into the system.
So go ahead.
But that would be very difficult. She's well brought up, quiet and reserved.
I understand. But doesn't she have any weak points we can capitalize on?
She's very poor. She has no mother. The father is a poor farmer.
Perfect. The sisterhood will minister into her life. Bring her here so I can talk to her. Alright?
Okay. Thanks.
Is that the only way you can show appreciation? Oh, my dear.
Were you able to go to the program?
Which one?
Drama theater.
I was there. Hey, you should have been there to see Annette in action.
Ah.
That girl is something else, so she can act.
Oh, I miss it. Look, I remember that girl since primary school.
Happy. Can I see you for a minute?
Moment. Ah.
Hi. What's
Hello.
up?
Where have you been? I've been looking for you.
I've been here. Any problem?
No, but I was thinking if you can accompany me to a meeting.
A meeting?
Yeah.
What meeting? I mean, is it that important that I go with you?
No, but I just want you to accompany me.
Okay.
Thanks. No, I have to go for after studies. I'll see you, okay?
Okay, good.
Bye.
So, what were we saying?
What was all that about?
What? I just share. Oh, she just invited me to a meeting. She wants me to go to some meeting with her.
Meeting.
Yes.
Be very careful of that girl in her company. It will not be healthy for you.
Why are you saying that? Is there something I should know?
God knows you will not hear it from me. No way. But when the time comes, be healthy. Be wise.
Wow, Adishi. Did you say this house belonged to that woman?
Yes. But it's an official house.
An official house?
As the house for the sisterhood.
A sisterhood? What is that?
An association of women. We help each other in so many ways.
Are you a member?
Of course. Where else do I get money to buy all these clothes and shoes? I come from a poor family.
Wow, this is wonderful.
Girls. Kafui, I hope you're all right.
Yes.
You enjoying yourself?
Yes, I'm having a nice time, ma. I mean, sister.
Adisha, can you leave us alone, please? Let me have a chat with Kafui, okay? Yes. She tells me you're in the same school.
Yes, I am.
And I hear you are having some difficulties. I mean financially.
That's also true.
You know, that is what all this sisterhood is about. We help the women who are less fortunate. I believe you consider joining us.
Well, if it will lift some of the burden off my shoulders, I'll gladly join.
Very good. But there are some things you need to know. Yes. We, the sisters, help each other in every way. I mean every way. You don't let our sisters depend on any man who will later enslave them. No. So think about it, okay? If you make up your mind, let me know. Okay? For the meantime, this is for you. 1 million cedis.
My God, 1 million cedis.
Yeah.
Too much.
Just take it to solve some immediate problems, okay?
I can take it.
Nonsense. Come on, take it. It's yours.
Thank you so much. I'm overwhelmed. You don't know how much you've helped me.
Oh, that's okay, that's okay. There's a lot of money out there. You just have to reach out for it. Alright? I'm just waiting for you. When you make up your mind, let me know. Okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Let's see. Hey, Kafui. Let me wear something. Let me wear something.
Kafui. Oh, welcome.
Thank you, Papa. Papa, where are my brothers?
We were very lucky to get some oranges from the tree this morning. So they have gone to sell.
Sell oranges?
Yes.
Papa, why?
I was not able to buy any clothes for the season. But they have to go to church on New Year's Day.
Papa, they'll wear new clothes. Let's go. Tell you. Oh, I'm gonna take. Papa. Good news. At last, all our problems has come to an end, Papa, by the grace of God. There is this group I've joined there. You can't imagine what they are doing for me, Papa. They give me everything I ask them for, Papa. They give me when I'm in need, Papa. There is a woman's group, actually.
A women's group? And they do order for their members?
Oh, yes, Papa. They are very rich. Very, very rich. And they grant to those who are in need, Papa.
And will give you all that money?
Yes, Papa.
Kafui. Are you sure there is no any sinister about that group?
No, Papa. I have a friend who is a member. There is nothing strange about him. Papa, listen. I have some money. I'll give you parts for you and the family, okay? And I also use parts to pay for my debts and then guarantee for my loan.
Have you got a guarantor now?
Yes, Papa. Another good news. There is this banker who has guaranteed for me. She's also a member of the group, Papa.
Amen.
Amen.
You seem to be spending a lot of time in the company of Adichie. What's up?
You won't believe the miracles that are coming my way. Hey, she introduced me to her club, one ladies' club like that. And I haven't even given them my consent, but they started showering me with gifts already. Gifts.
A ladies' club?
Yes.
Is this club by any chance the sisterhood?
Yes, have you heard of them?
Look here, Kafui. It's for the love and concern I have for you that I say this. That club is made up of very rich women with members in top positions in every institution you can imagine.
Wow.
You would be surprised you won't study for an exam, but you get the highest grades you can imagine.
Wow.
And you work in any institution of your choice.
Wonderful.
Kafui, I would advise you not to have anything to do with them. They are dead. Very, very dead.
Monique, is this not your dislike for Adichie which is stalking?
What? My dislike for her? Look, not all that glitters is gold. Do you know what they do in that society?
Not helping the less privileged?
Helping the less privileged. Look, that is just a cover-up. Adichie invited me to join this club when we came to level 100. I accepted and thought I was entering into something beneficial, something profitable, something that will lift the financial burden off my family's shoulders. Until one day. Doing.
Shh. It's what we do in the sisterhood. We minister to each other, and since you want
Hey, I don't want to hear the rest. Just keep quiet. Oh, so that is what people do in that group. Adichie, you are a group of lesbians.
Under two.
Very good.
Monique, you were enjoying what I was doing. It's just a matter of you relaxing and me doing it.
Hey. You want to annoy me, eh? Adichie, you want to annoy me, eh?
Take your time.
If you don't get out of here, I will scream the whole hall down. In fact, I will shout for everyone to move. That is what you do.
Nick, you can't open your mouth. In fact, it won't go out of this room.
Look at you.
If you talk, I will destroy you completely. And not only that,
I will deny you. I'm afraid. In fact, you have no proof. Man. Bonnie, remember, don't open your mouth. It's my word against yours. You have no proof. I repeat, you have no proof. Nonsense.
So, Kafui, that is a sisterhood for you.
I don't believe this.
Neither will I force you to believe me. But please, do me a favor. I'm here to tell you the truth.
I will. Adishia. Adi, please tell me more about the sisterhood.
What about the sisterhood? That reminds me, I have this surprise for you. You can't believe it when you see it. I've been waiting for you to see it.
Adishia, please. Tell me.
We are lesbians.
What? Oh my God.
Please, leave God out of this. What is wrong with lesbianism? But what? But what, Kafui? Look, you see me all the time, but you don't know what goes through me. My mom is dead. That you know. But have you asked me what killed her? Can you believe that my dad beat my pregnant mother till she died? I'd rather go to bed with a woman than to give my precious body to something undeserving as a man.
Adishia, I can't simply come in terms with that. God created men to meet the sexual demands of women. Why twist what God has ordained?
Enough of that crap, Kafui. What you guys fail to ask is all through the Bible, there hasn't been any chapter where Jesus or God come face to face, one-on-one with sexual sin. For all you know, Jesus or God was a gay. That explains why all his disciples were men.
Adishia, this is blasphemy and you know it.
Look, this is a pointless argument. Will you give a comfortable life because of a man's manhood? What is the difference, Kafui? And that can be worked out.
Sodom and Gomorrah.
Damn Sodom and Gomorrah, Kafui. Damn it! That was the Old Testament. We are in the New Testament. Apam fufru, Kafui. Apam fufru.
Look, the sisterhood clears anything that's a barrier. Anytime we smell anything that's a barrier, we finish it. We have come this far because of that. Okay? I've wasted too much time on that girl. I should have finished her immediately I realized she wasn't going to join us and that she's discovered our secret. Anyway, as the saying goes, it's better late than never. Don't worry.
Yeah, but what about Kafui?
She's no problem. We can handle her.
That's right, sister. Leave the rest to the sister. We'll handle it. Come on. Get back to school. And take your lessons serious, all right? Be a good girl.
I will.
Bye.
Thank you. Yes, come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Have a seat.
Thank you. You sent for me, sir.
Yes, good news. Here you are. You have just been awarded a 15 million Sydney scholarship.
15 million scholarship. I don't understand. Who is behind this?
It's coming from the French embassy and it's being inspired by the sisterhood.
The sisterhood.
Yes. I understand the sisterhood is an organization that caters for young ladies like you. They are well-meaning too. They are very great. They are in almost every organization within the country. They are very powerful, I mean. I understand you have been extended an invitation to become a member. Is it true?
Yes, yes.
I implore you to make the best out of it.
You think so?
With all my heart, I do.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Ah, Prof gave you the letter.
Yes,
Oh,
I did.
okay.
Thank you so much. You don't know how much you've certainly changed my life from bad to good.
Don't bother, don't bother. Anyway, have you made up your mind about the invitation?
Not yet. I'm still thinking about it. I've just heard some things that are delaying my decision.
What? That we are lesbians? Daphne, let me tell you a secret, okay? You know what? What we the sisters do to ourselves is no different from what the men do with us. It's just that ours, there's nothing like sexually transmitted diseases, nothing like a broken heart to mend. The sisterhood's place is the most safest and the most comfortable place you can find yourself.
But
what? Huh? Look, do you value going out with a man more than your life? Or you want to sleep with your man? You don't want peace? Huh? Don't be a fool.
is there a spiritual side attached to this?
You want to know everything today, huh? I'll tell you, don't worry. There was a woman who was always being molested by the husband. It's not like she's done something wrong, nothing. The husband comes home drunk and beats her up, that's all. Puts her on the bed and that is it. Imagine that. Anywhere she goes, it's like men are domineering. Men are the boss, you know. Anywhere she finds herself, it's a man who is the boss. Men come first before women. That kind of thing. This woman one day went to the riverside to pray. She was praying. She was praying. She kept on praying. All of a sudden, she opened her eyes, and there was this woman coming out of the water to talk to her. Do you know who that was? Chidambaram. That was Chidambaram. Chidambaram appeared to the woman and told her, "Woman, don't cry anymore. Go out there and make an organization of women so that the women can bring out those people who are not being treated well by the men. Bring out women and young girls from the bondage of men." She got scared at first, but Chidambaram smiled to her and said, "Your problem is over. Go out there, preach it, get more women." And that is the sisterhood.
So that was how the first group of sisterhood was formed.
That is it.
Which year was this?
Somewhere in 1828, in India.
India.
Yes. We have branches all over. Talk of America. Talk of London. Talk of where? Which country do you want to study? Mention it, say it, and I'll do that for you. Scholarship all over. We are in every government, the whole world. We have these strong women there. Where do you want to go? Scholarship everywhere, name it. You get it. Look, we are big.
I see.
Every 3 years, we let a new person for the president. She must be a virgin. So next year is our initiation year. I hope you would like to join. Think about it, okay? We are big. We can do everything for you. All right? Join. I know you will. I know you will. Take the drink. I know you will join. All right? I love you. Take care of yourself. You're a good girl. You know what you shouldn't do.
Yes.
You know everything.
Yes.
Try not to do it, okay? Let's just take something.
There's sisterhood.
Powers in our hands, love in our hearts.
There's sisterhood.
Powers in our hands, love in our hearts.
Sisters, we minister.
To ourselves,
Sisters, we minister.
to each other.
You are all welcome to today's meeting. In fact, today is a very important day. Today is the day we set a date for the initiation. And more servants will be recruited for the spirit of the underworld, Chidambaram.
Be reverenced.
We now invite to the table our own president, Sister Abakra.
I always feel proud when you welcome me this way. Really, we minister. Take your seat. Sisters, we minister.
To ourselves,
Sisters, we minister.
to each other.
Thank you. Yes, this year's initiation is a bittersweet one. This year, we are electing new leaders for this August organization. Members who have not been initiated yet and who are virgins are going to be given new positions. Such members should leave their names for the secretary before the end of this meeting, please. The date for this occasion of initiation is the night of the full moon, when our lady and princess of the underworld will visit us. Ladies, I employ all of you. Make it a point to be there.
You should have left the affairs of the sisterhood alone. No one dabbles with the affairs of the sisterhood. We gave you a chance to join us. You refused. The best you should have done was to shut up, yet you did not.
Auntie, please. I am sorry. I won't do it again. I didn't mean to. I'm very
That
sorry.
I believe, my dear. You will never do it again. Never, you won't.
No, I won't.
Get out.
Please. Remember Mercy. Please.
Get out. Get out of the car.
Please remember Mercy.
Just
do it again.
Get out of the car. Just out. Get out. Get out. DiCaprio. waste hair. Waste hair.
Adisha, I haven't seen Mickey for 3 days now. Where is she?
She asked me to tell you that she has to rush down to their hometown for a funeral.
Funeral? Where was I that she couldn't tell me herself?
I know. Was impromptu, I think.
Oh, impromptu.
Kakui,
Yeah?
I slept with 3 days.
3 days to what?
Well, you know what?
Oh, that. I'm still making up my mind.
Okay.
Good night.
Good night.
Advise you not to have anything to do with them. They are dead. Very, very dead.
We have branches all over. Talk of America. Talk of London. Talk of where? Which country do you want to study? Mention it, say it, and I'll do that for you. Scholarship all over. We are in every government, the whole world. We have these strong women there. Where do you want to go? Scholarship everywhere, name it. You get it. Look, we are big.
Not all that glitters is gold. Do you know what they do in that society?
Kakui, we are late. Aren't you going?
I'm still making up my mind.
Okay, can't wait for you. I'm already late. I can't wait for you. This is the direction. Just in case you change your mind. You can come. I'll see you. Where's Sophie? She's inside.
Christabel, you scared me.
I'm sorry. What are you thinking of?
Nothing. I'm just thinking. When did you arrive from the village? And did you see my family?
I'm just arriving. And for your family, they are fine.
Christabel, why did you hesitate before answering them? Is anything wrong with them?
Your family is fine. Except for your father, who fell down from a palm nut tree and he broke his neck.
What? My father fell. Hey, what was he doing at the palm nut tree?
What he was doing on the palm nut tree? Trying to get some money from me to pay his debt. Huh?
So where is he?
In the house.
In the house. Christabel, I thought you just said he broke his neck. So what is he doing in the house?
He's in the house. Money to go to clinic is another problem. So he has to stay in the house. You see, the herbalist, the one near the market side, is the one taking care of him. And we are still praying. Don't worry, really.
I'm coming. Thank you for the information. Where are you going? You don't want to know, so don't ask.
Chidambara. Now, at the choice of Chidambara, pure-hearted and undefiled body. Hail the choice of Chidambara.
Welcome to my kingdom. You now belong to me. No man ever see nakedness. And should the touch of a man side with you of the day you defy that order, break the chain of power in my kingdom, and I will take your life.